Imagine carrying just one card that controls every card in your wallet. Sounds futuristic, right? That's exactly what the Curve card promises in 2025. But can it truly replace your entire wallet? Or is it just another fintech hype? Let's break it all down. Curve is not a bank. Instead, it's a smart payment system that connects all your debit and credit cards into a single card and app. When you pay, Curve lets you choose which linked card to charge, and if you regret your choice, you can use its unique Go Back in Time feature to move that payment to another card later. This is a big win for people who juggle multiple credit cards for rewards, or who accidentally use the wrong one at checkout. So what works really well? First, simplicity. One card, many accounts, no more carrying a bulky wallet. Second, the Go Back in Time option is a lifesaver when you pick the wrong card. Third, travelers will love it. Curve offers fee-free foreign spending up to certain limits, and the paid plans extend those benefits further. Fourth, smart rules let you automatically send specific transactions to certain cards, plus you get spending alerts and even a backup option if one card gets declined. And let's not forget the cashback and perks you unlock with premium plans. But of course, nothing is perfect. On the free plan, the limits are strict. Exceed them, and you'll face currency conversion fees, weekend surcharges, and ATM withdrawal charges. The premium plans unlock more, but then you're paying a subscription, and if you don't maximize those features, you could actually lose money. Another issue is support. Many users praise the app when it works, but complain about slow or unhelpful customer service when problems arise. And remember, Curve isn't a full bank, so you don't get interest, savings features, or full deposit protection in every region. So can Curve really replace your entire wallet? The answer is, it depends on your lifestyle. If you're someone who travels often, spends in multiple currencies, uses many credit cards, or just loves the convenience of having one card with smart controls, Curve could absolutely simplify your financial life. But if you mostly spend in one currency, already have cards with no foreign transaction fees, and don't want to pay a monthly subscription, Curve might not give you enough to ditch your traditional wallet completely. Here's the smart move. Test the free version. See how often you use features like Go Back in Time or fee-free overseas spending. If you find yourself saving money and enjoying the simplicity, upgrading to a paid plan could be worth it. If not, you'll know Curve is more of a nice extra than a wallet replacement. So, what do you think? Could Curve become your one and only card? Or do you still prefer keeping your full wallet with you? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your experiences. And if you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next breakdown.